Alright, so welcome to this section of the tutorial. Now in the previous section we edited this page here. Now in this section what we are going to be doing is that we're going to be editing the header here with these menus, and also we're going to be editing our logo, which is at the bottom of the page, which you can see here. Now the first one we're going to be editing is the logo at the bottom of the page. So I'm going to scroll down to where we have our logo. So here, so I'm going to click on this pencil icon here. Now when I do that, settings related to this logo here will appear by the left side. So I'm going to click on choose image. Alright, so I'm going to go to upload files because the picture we want isn't here. So I'm going to go to upload files. So here we have select files, so I'm going to click on it. Alright, so we're going to be selecting our hospital logo. So here is it, so I'm going to click on it, then click on open. Okay, so here we have our insert media, so I'm going to click on insert media. Okay, now as you can see, our site logo is here. As you can see, this is the hospital logo. Now in case you want to play with the size, you can come here and just play with the size here, but for this tutorial I'm just going to leave it at full here. Alright, so let's scroll up. Alright, so the next thing we're going to be editing is the header here. Alright, so let's click on update. Now you return back to your website. So this is your website. So when you return back to your website, you click on customize. So I'm going to do that. So after you click on customize, this page is going to appear. Alright, so here we're going to be changing our logo here, and we're going to be editing these menus here and this phone number. So let's start with the logo. So I'll head over to my header here. So I'm going to go to site identity. Okay, so here I'm going to click on remove logo. So here I'm going to click on select logo. Okay, we have our logo here already, so I'm going to click on it, then click on select. So here I'm going to skip this cropping process, so I'm going to click on skip cropping. Okay, so our logo here is being uploaded. You're going to see it appear here. Alright, so as you can see, this is our logo. Now in case you want your logo to look bigger than this, you can just play with this toggle here. You can just play with this. As you can see, it's increasing and it's decreasing. Okay, so the next thing we're going to be editing is our site icon. Now in case you don't know what the site icon is, as you can see, we have this icon here. As you can see, we also have an icon here. As you can see, we also have an icon here. Now when you visit some top websites, they have icon here. Now when you visit a website like Google, they have their own icon also. Alright, so I'm going to be uploading ours. So here I'm going to click on select site icon. So here I'll head over to upload files. So this is select files. I'm going to click on it. Alright, so here we're going to click on this logo too. So I'm going to click on it, then click on open. Okay. Alright, so here we have our logo too. So I'm going to click on select. So here I'm going to skip this cropping process. So I'm going to click on skip cropping. Okay, so we've uploaded it here. Now watch, our site identity and our site icon has been changed. Now as you can see, this is our site logo and this is our site icon. It has been changed. Okay, so after we've uploaded this, we can just click on publish. Alright, so our site logo and our site identity has been published. Alright, so when we refresh this page, now we'll click on refresh here. Now as you can see, our site icon has been changed. As you can see here, now this also has been changed. As you can see, now if you refresh this page, this site icon here is going to change. Now as you can see, it has been changed. Now that is how to change your site logo and your site icon. Alright, so the next thing we're going to be editing is our menu. Now as you can see, we have this pencil icon here, so I'm going to click on this pencil icon. Now here you can edit how you want your menu to look like. Alright, so here as you can see, they are telling us shift and click to edit these elements. So for you to edit this home, don't just click on it. You're going to hold your shift key. Now I'm holding my shift key, then I'm going to click on it. Now when I do so, as you can see, settings related to this home button here has appeared by the left side. Now in case you want your visitors or on your website to go to another link when they click on home, now you can paste that link here and they'll be directed to whatever link you paste here. Now if you want to edit your about, don't just click on it. You're going to hold shift, then click. Now when you do that, this is your about. Now here you can edit whatever you want to edit about the about page. Okay, so here we have our procedures. As you can see, shift and click to edit this element. So here we have the reviews and the contact. So that's that for that. So you can just shift and click to edit it. Now this is your phone number. Now here you can just hold your shift key and click on it to edit it. Okay, so here we have the number. So we can just click on this and you can edit this to whatever number you want. So here you can just put 23481069845. So as you can see, you can just edit it by this side. Okay, so when you do that, you can just click on publish or whatever. Alright, so that's for that about editing header and this. Alright, so here you can just click on back. So here our site identity has been changed. Now here also our site identity has been changed. Alright, so that's for that about editing your site header, your site identity and your site logo. Alright, so I'm going to see you in the next section of this tutorial.